Hello, I am Laure from Consulting Premium. How can I help you?
Hello, allow me to call you because I need management advice at the ERP level of CRM for my startup.
Okay, I understand. And you've come to the right place. First, before you start, do you know our consulting box?
No, not at all, but I was recommended to me by accountants.
Okay, it's nice to hear. Our consulting box from Consulting Premium is there to guide you and give you the best advice on the best path for your startup.
This is exactly what I'm looking for. So, how can you help me with CRM?
First of all, your company is a young startup. The best ERP of CRM that I propose to you is named Axonote. So just to better understand, I explain you what is an ERP. So it is a software package that allows you to manage all of a company's operational process by integrating several management functions such as accounting, e-commerce, or CRM. And all of these applications are grouped in one system. So Axonote is an example, and it is a platform which I am sure you will love, especially since our customers are generally very satisfied.
That's great. So, can you tell me a bit more about this platform?
Yes, of course. So Axonote allows to centralize and manage all the contracts of the company on a single platform connected online. Moreover, it automatically archives emails and appointments in a customer's file. It allows the company to be connected to its emails and agendas online. Everybody can have access on it. All of the employees' exchanges with the prospects or customers are automatically stored in Axonote. So thanks to this ERP, you can know better your customers and then close more sales. So this ERP is really useful, really instinctive, and you have a lot of tutorials when you subscribe on the website. Moreover, when you subscribe, you can have access to all the functionalities for a very low price, which is 30 euros per month for one user. So we think Axonote is a good ERP for startups like you.
Oh, that's very interesting. But I have another question.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Could I have a visual presentation of this platform? I mean, a presentation on this use of CRM on accident?
Yes, of course. It is totally doable. You are not the first to ask us that.
Oh, great. I didn't want to appear like every customer.
No, do not worry. So for the technical part on demonstration, I allow you to go to a technician. So Miss Canu, she will give you a super presentation of the use of CRM. So just wait for a few minutes. I put you in a touch with her. Goodbye.
Thanks so much.
Miss Carpin?
Yes, this is me. Hi, Miss Canyon.
Hello, nice to meet you. I will be your demo technician for today. So Miss Didon has informed me that you are interested in CRM ERP.
That's exactly right.
Perfect. So I'm going to proceed as follow. I'm going to do a screen sharing of the platform. Are you in front of your computer to see it?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. So let me a few seconds to show you that. Perfect. So as you can see, we come directly to the blue interface. On your left, you can find the bar of the various features available to you. So in our case, the functionality that will be presented will be commercial. So at the top, you also have a search bar just there to find something specific.
This eye-catching interface looks practical and easy to use. Can you show me how I can find a prospecting client?
Yes, sure. So in our case, you go into the commercial functionality and then into directory. So just here. Okay. And then you go on prospects. So we are just in prospects. And then you can see directly the customer name. And that will give you all the information, so such as the estimate, invoices, coordinates, exchanges. The great thing about the site is that we can directly use the search bar to find the prospect. So it's when you have a list, just here. In the functionality bar, this shows you where the information has been classified. This allows customers to memorize the operation as well.
It's true that when you think about it, it's a very good solution to familiarize yourself as much as possible with this functionality of this platform.
Yes, by the way, I don't know if Miss didn't told you, but it's one of our platforms that we recommend the most to our customers.
I understand why.
And I'd like to add something as well. You see the little tab at the bottom of the functionality bar, just here? The one with the
Yes,
shape of the setting icon?
yes, I'm seeing that.
Yes. Well, if you are really not interested in the other functionalities, you can click on them, as I do at the moment, and uncheck all the functionalities, sorry. So just like that. And then in our case, we will uncheck everything except CRM, just like I did. And you can change, also the color of your interface if you want, and put a logo of your company.
But that's great. I didn't think you could do away with model like this. Oh, perfect.
Yes, and Axonote is a platform that adapts to its clients. If we go back to our modification, you will end up like this, with only the CRM of your company, sorry.
So listen, I'm concurred by with you, Fermi. Thanks you for this beautiful presentation. This little that you have presented to me is very interesting. I'm going to call Miss Didem back to plant it all. In any case, thank you.
It was a real pleasure for me.